Okay, so this is the name of Br2O. Okay, so we have different options, but first we need to determine the type of compound we have. So we have two nonmetals. So therefore we can say that this is a binary covalent compound. So depending on the type of compound we have, they'll follow a different set of rules. So that's why it's important to figure out the type of compound we have first so that we can go about naming it. So when naming a binary covalent compound, we first need to write the first element and we also need to add a prefix if there is more than one. Okay, so I'll write all the prefixes on the right. So when we have one, prefix is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is penta, 6 is hexa, 7 is hept, 8 is octa, 9 is nona, and 10 is deca. Okay, so after the first step, we then need to write the second element. And for the second element, we always need to add a prefix to show how many of each atom there are. And the ending will be changed to "ide." So typically it's like the first vowel in your second element will be changed to "ide" instead. So therefore, when we write out the name, since we have more than one bromine atom, we're going to have the prefix of di. So we write dibromine. And then we have a single oxygen. So we have to write mono. And then since we have oxygen, we don't have to say monoxide. It'll just have the same O. So we just say monox. And then the Y is the next vowel that comes after the first one. So it's just going to be monoxide. So dibromine monoxide. And the junior tutor said I guess this is option C. In naming binary compounds, the most metallic element comes first with its elemental name, and the nonmetal would be the second element with its elemental name, ending in "ide." A prefix is added to the first and second element, indicating its number of atoms, but if the element exists only as one atom, a prefix is mono is not added and its elemental name is retained. Therefore, the name of the compound is carbon dibromine monoxide. Okay. So this solution is correct.